feed rate is consistent, confirming successful entry.
Humidity levels stable. Proceed with cut.
Clear to set down. Confirmed alignment.
Roger that. Sensors are green across the board. Good job.
High-frequency sound waves map the internal structure in real time, confirming the absence of air pockets or weak bonds.
The grade B is secure in the freezer. Process A intake is clear.
Good. Let's send the final confirmation to McLaren assembly.
The automated cleaning and surface treatment of these grade A carbon fiber plies is essential. They pass through a high pressure
We've reached the critical temperature plateau. Look at the stability here.
Yes, pressure is holding perfectly. Monocoque integrity confirmed.
The internal temperature is stabilizing right on schedule.
Confirmed. Cycle time looks good.
Beginning data log entry now.
Torque checks out on the front right hardpoint.
Confirmed. Depth is nominal.
The synchronized gantry crane gently lowers the completed carbon fiber monocoque chassis. It settles perfectly in
The Grade B high-density carbon fiber prepreg sheets, previously segregated, are now retrieved.
Chassis transfer complete for Process B.
Confirmed. Manifest updated.
The HVLP sprayers apply a thick, glossy layer of protective clear lacquer. The clear coat instantly
Every connection point meets the exact specification.
The measurements confirm perfect alignment. Laser alignment complete. All systems green.
Verified. Ready for the next stage.
The seals are holding perfectly, pressure levels stable.
Confirmed. The P1 GTR passes the monsoon test.
Everything within tolerance. Please sign off on the manifest.
Confirmed. The audit is complete.
This entry here confirms the sterling grey finish.
Yes, the manifest matches the VIN. We are cleared for transport.
Absolutely flawless. The finish on this sterling grey is incredible. And that wing, it's perfect.
Tire pressure is solid, front right at 2.1 bar.
Copy that. Oil levels looking good here. The structural integrity held perfectly. Look at these metrics.
Excellent. The production pipeline is fully validated. We're good to go.
The McLaren P1 GTR, seen here in sterling gray, is the pinnacle of high-performance manufacturing.
As you can see, the carbon fiber monocoque provides incredible strength while remaining exceptionally light.
Representing the culmination of all 100 industrial steps, the sterling gray track car is successfully deployed for sustained customer usage.